Ito na yata yung pinaka-importante nating package na matatanggap kasi sa loob nito, dito nakalagay yung pinakamalaking project natin for the first half of the year. No? So, bubuksan natin to. So, unahin muna natin tong BBG. Yung BBG, ang ibig sabihin yan, Bubble Butt Girl. Ayan. Ito siya. Tanggalin natin siya sa Ziploc bag. Cute, oh. Oh. Ito na yun, no? This is called BBG or Bubble Butt Girl. This is a toy figure. And, look, di ba? Ang cute. Chubby cheeks. Tapos, ganito kasi yung mga itsura ng mga field chai ng mga bata. Mga ganyan. Pantay yung buhok. And then, chubby cheeks, di ba? Ayan. Ito yung front. Ito yung back. Tapos may arms siya. And you have the shoes na red, di ba? Ang cute. Yan. Tapos, meron rin siyang kasamang nasa Ziploc bag na accessory. Yung accessory naman na to, this one, it's a crown made of cardboard, yung graphic niya, yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ayan siya. This has a magnet. So, dito mo siya makakabit. Diba? Satisfying yung snap niya. Isa pa. Diba? Ang ganda. Medyo familiar tong image na to sa inyo. It's because we are releasing this with this one. This is Bicycle Paper Royals and this is the cover of BBG. So, ayan siya. Ito yung nasa deck and this is the actual figure, no? Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay, tsaka nung shape and all. Ang linis ng pagkakagawa. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa collector's box. This is made of acrylic. This is a display case. Sa front, you have the graphic of the Paper Royals. Ayan. And then, inside, you have 2 slots for 2 decks. So, isa dito and isa sa kabila. And then the figure, you will be placing it in the middle. Like so. Diba? Ayan. Ganda, diba? And then, if we close it up, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. This is the Paper Royals collector box set. Wow, di ba? Tapos, meron pa tayong isa na bubuksan. This one naman is from Vincent. You have 2 accessories. Yung isang sword, tsaka isang crown, di ba? Ganda. And here's the figure. Ayan. Ito siya. Tapos, meron siyang moving parts. Yan yung sa arms niya. It's made of light blue, baby blue, and orange, diba? Ganda. Ito yung likod naman niya. You have here the logo of Vincent, yung artist, Vince, diba? Here it is. Ito si V5. So, meron siyang accessories. First one is the crown. Yan. Ito yung crown. Yung crown, meron rin siyang magnet sa loob para mag-snap in place, diba? Satisfying tunog, oh. Oh. Diba? And then you also have this one. This is the sword, accessory. So itong sword na to, ilalagay natin siya dito sa kamay. Yan. Diba? And here it is. Yan. Ito yung figure ng V5 by Vincent. Even the body, yung waist niya gumagalaw yan. Diba? Ganda. And here is the box design. Side naman to ni V5. Lagay rin natin siya sa case. Yung case niya, ganun rin. Pareho. Pero yung shape ng foam, it's the same shape or roughly the same shape nung V5 na figure. So, we'll remove the crown and tanggalin rin natin tong sword. And then, we place it here. And then on the sides, lalagay rin natin yung deck. Kabilaan yan. And then, we close it with a lid. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? And this is something fun for this project. We'll be taking out 4 cards from a deck and lay it out parang ganito. As you can see, it forms one big image. Ang tawag dyan is quadriptych, or when 4 cards are merged or attached together, laid out together, it would form one big image. And we'll be attaching it doon sa foam, and it would look like this. And then we will be placing it back sa acrylic and close the lid up. And it would look like this. So you can have it signed sa artist kila Winnie and Vincent on the event itself. And I think, from what I know, this is an industry first wherein a deck of playing cards is released with a toy figure, a limited toy figure, and vice versa. A toy figure is released with a deck of playing cards. So what comes next is we will be sending this kay Anton and Zara, yung mga kaibigan nating na napakagaling, napakahusay kumuha ng mga photos from mga product images. And once we have the photos for this, we'll be releasing this at ToyCon. That's June 14, 15, and 16 at SMX MOA sa Pasay, di ba? And we'll be releasing limited quantities of this limited sets, and as well as playing cards and uncut sheets. Pero i-update na rin namin kayo as ToyCon comes near. Pakita namin sa inyo mga iba pa namin i-release na related to Paper Royals. Okay? Yun lang.